Usually I'm doing video around consciousness and around self-development and family constellation, breathwork or tantra. And right now I'm gonna do a video around what I'm living now, right now. I'm living a detox with juice, and now it's the 7th day. So it's 7 days that I'm taking juice every day. I'm not eating at all, just drinking juice. And I'm feeling quite good, and I have quite a lot of energy. I even could go to sport just drinking juice a few days ago. So there is some days on, some days off, but I really encourage people who want to start a really, truly deep detox to use the juice. So basically I use different juice around the day. So mainly we do juice with vegetables, a bit less with fruits, because fruits still have sugar in it. But of course you can still make some juice with fruits, but mainly the focus is with vegetables and greens. So this juice detox is about in the morning. Mainly I'm going to the market, so when I go to the market I can really choose my vegetable, and here there is a lot of vegetable. They're all organics, and then I can really choose what I want. So I'm using basically in the morning only the celery, so celery stick, just plain juice of celery, because celery have really a good absorption of the mineral for the body. And so you just take like 500 milliliters of juice of celery in the morning. Then I used to do some green. So I'm using the papaya leaves to make the green here. And I'm using also the garlic. Yeah, garlic really good also to detox the blood. And we use the jamu here in Indonesia everywhere. So you can buy jamu in the market already done. You can have some delivery of jamu also if you want to have directly at your door at home. And you can also do the jamu by yourself, which that I choose. So every morning I wake up like 5 o'clock and I'm going to the market and I buy everything to make my jamu. Jamu you can make in different way. The way I'm doing the jamu is like 250 grams for 2 liters. 250 grams of turmeric, 250 grams of ginger. Sometimes I can buy also aromatic ginger, or one root also called langoisse. It's something that you have to use very, very little, not too much. I will put some picture of each roots that I described now, and if you find it, you can also put some red ginger. So you have a variety of these roots who are very interesting about the detox, and you can also add to that something sweet. So I choose the apple juice, but sometimes if I have no apple, because most of the apple doesn't grow here, they are from import. So if I don't have apple, I can also put some watermelon. So yeah, basically this is how to make the jamu. The best, of course, for you to have is cold pressed juice, but if you don't have cold pressed juice, who can be sometimes expensive for some people, you can use one who spin really fast to make the juice. It does the work also. Of course, the vitamin and the minerals, they get more hot because the spin is much more faster. So you lose a little bit of minerals and vitamin when you use this kind of machine, but you can still doing it with it. Yeah, you still have the benefit of the juice fasting. So I'm on the way to continue the juice fasting. I don't know how long actually, but I have an idea. And I'm sure that I could make it because the skin already changed a lot. It's more soft, it's more clear, it's more yeah, you can really see after 7 days the change on the skin, which is a really good organ. When you see the change on the skin, you can be sure that the change also going much more deeper on your body when you do juice fasting. And here also you can choose the option to have the delivery, because many company here doing this kind of juice fasting. You can decide to do like a retreat and doing the 3 days or 5 days juice fasting, and you can also order delivery at your door of any juice that you want. But I choose to do the juice by myself because I really want to be precise on what I'm putting into the juice. So if you think to have a great detox and having a lot of energy when you are doing the detox, not feeling low, like you are doing a dry fasting or you are doing a wet fasting with the water, which I did for many years, the juice detox bring you the detox and also give you a lot of nutriment for your body. So it changed the way that the body works also, because the cleaning is really, really deep. So I encourage you to start to do juice fasting at home.